All right, this video will be about connecting an email list that you have in Google Sheets to a letter that you've written in Google Docs. And you want to send it out to everyone in your recipients list. The add-on is called Easy Mail Merge for Google Docs. I have a link to it in the description. If you use that link, you'll get a discounted rate. But first, you can do a trial to see if you like it. I have it installed already, so when you go to the extensions, if you don't have it installed, you can go to Get Add-ons and just search for Easy Mail Merge. But I have it here, so we'll go down and we'll select Start. But the first thing that it wants to know is where's your mailing list? All right, so it's recipients. And when we look back at Google Drive, these are in the same folder called Easy Mail Merge. So we'll just tell the add-on where to find it. I will click on Add List from Spreadsheet. And this window comes up that looks at your Google Drive. I could also use the search bar, but I have it in here. We'll select that spreadsheet. We'll click Add. And the add-on is going to read the spreadsheet, and it sees all of the headers that I used. So we'll be able to use each one of these to customize the message. And it's smart enough where it grabbed the email column, put it in the to field for us. So this section's done already. Next, you want to enter your subject. Let's say we're doing a Thanksgiving sale. I live in the US, so we're about to celebrate Thanksgiving. I'd say we probably want an emoji in that field, right? All right, let's pick one here. Of course, we want a turkey, right? Because it's Thanksgiving. So we'll add that to our subject. Who doesn't want to see a turkey in their email? Double click it. Oops, did it twice. We're going to close this window. Let's leave two of them there. Thanksgiving sale, 30% off. And now let's come over and write the message. So we'll say, Dear, and then let's personalize it. Let's act like we know the person. We'll say, Dear, first name. So I clicked on that. It brings the mail merge field into here. You'll notice that's the column header. So Dear first name. So for the first person, for example, it's going to say Dear Maximo. We'll say Dear first name, comma, how would you like get a great deal? We'll keep that nice and simple. If you've seen a mail merge before, you'll know that you can have several fields if you want. So you could have the first name, last name, you could have their address. Anymore, you're probably not mailing these, so you probably don't need their address. But whatever custom fields you want to bring in, you can. And you could even bring in something like a percentage off. So if you wanted different percentages off for your sale for each of these people, you could have a column for that. Right, so there's another option where you could just fill in the email body and send the current document as a PDF. We'll leave that off for now. And the last option is that you could attach files. So you could just attach something from Google Drive. All right, let's give this one a test. So instead of clicking send, we'll click the test button. Thinks about it for a little bit. And this add-on launches Gmail in the background, and it sent the test. So we're going to click on this to check my email inbox. Oh, here's the email that I just sent. That actually looks pretty cool. And if I open this up, it says, Dear Maximo, how would you like to get a great deal? All right, so that was pretty easy. When you have it all lined up the way that you want, you would just click send here, and it would send the emails out to everyone in your list.